American investors said hello to SK Hynix today. That's right, folks. Hello. The ADR began trading here on the Nasdaq. Company raised $26.5 billion. By the way, the most any foreign company's ever raised here in America. And my next guest says this is a game changer. She should know. Greentech Research investment analyst, portfolio manager Hilary Kramer. So, Hilary, why are you so excited about this?
Well, now that there's an ADR, now that SK Hynix is trading here in the United States, the investor base has just broadened and everyone's now introduced to this company that owns the memory space.
Are you worried about stock market fever in Korea, the stories that we're hearing about, some of the big swoons in the Kospi in the last couple of weeks? Does that worry you at all?
The volatility is concerning. You're absolutely right. What we've seen, like a 10%,
right.
a 10% retracement. But I really think that what we have here is the demand for memory. We're going from learning to actual applications and AI, and this is the hottest company. NVIDIA needs them, and so does everyone else.
So you don't anticipate going back to the old cyclicality where they move up a little bit, but then the prices, over 70 years, all the prices have done for memory will go down into the last few years, but people are wondering if this is a blip or is this new? Is there a real new paradigm shift for memory? If we buy these stocks, you'll feel good about it a year, 2, 3 years from now.
2 to 3 years from now, you'll still feel good about it, but ultimately the cycle will come back. So I'm with you, Charles, on that, but I'm thinking short, long term.
I got you. Hey, let's talk about another very, very exciting development, the robots. The robot stuff is happening quickly and quickly and quickly. I'm not sure if you saw this video. Look at that. Look at that. Jazz hands. That's a robot, Hilary. I'm so pumped about this, and it's one of these things, again, where people are saying, well, it's like quantum. It's good looking, but it's not real. It is real. It's happening right now. Are you looking at these names, any of these robot names? I'm
waiting for something that's compelling that we can actually wrap our hands around on the publicly traded market. So right now, I'm surprised.
I'm surprised at you.
I'm big on quantum computing. You know
right,
that.
I know, because I've got a couple of robot names already that I'm in. So I love this. I'm going to come back to you about this. But the hand was the last piece, right? That was the key to it all. I think you got to be in them. Maybe you're early, but I'd rather be. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's talk about this. A lot of debate the last couple of weeks about momentum stocks and momentum trading. You had a quote that you shared with people about this. What's your philosophy here? Because a lot of your ideas are momentum. I will give you credit. You buy a lot of them before they become momentum stocks.
That's what I'm always doing. It just happens that I bought momentum stocks that were in the technology space or in the biotech space. No, momentum, what you want to do here, you want to rotate now. Even though financials have gotten a bid, you want to be in stocks like Citigroup.
All right, so I started the show and I had a chart of all these big banks. Citi's outperforming them all. As we can see, an amazing chart here. Sam Stovall thought it was a little bit ahead of itself. He's worried about the consumer side of the business. You're not.
Not at all. There's a $30 billion stock buyback, and you're talking about a company, they haven't had any cracks in their credit. Citigroup makes so much sense here. It's so much cheaper than JP Morgan, for example, Bank of America. It is still an undervalued story, and they've gotten themselves together operationally.
So I remember the old commercial, have you driven a Ford lately? You remember that? Have you driven a Ford lately? The answer is no. I'm joking, but...
You should. You should get an F-150.
Don't get me started, okay? I got the Raptor. I mean, I got the T-Rex, baby. So don't get me started on trucks. But you like this. I was in Ford. I got out. I felt fortunate to get out. I know they're trying to reimagine this. They want to be a power play and some other things now.
Ford has this new division, Ford Pro, which are the commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles are between 14 and 15 years old, especially the medium and the heavy trucks. And they also have this recurring revenue, the subscription revenue. So I love Ford. 14 and a half years is the average age of a passenger vehicle. And Ford is trying to be very competitive. And everyone loves, as I said, it's not just the F-150. They really know what they're doing with their trucks.
Okay, we'll watch it.
The
stock is moving in the right direction. I got out because I was a little nervous. But, we'll see. What
about the dividend yield? We have to give that over 4%.
Let's talk about your rotation watch list. Now, there's a lot of names we don't have time to go through. So I'm going to be selective here. Okay. Mercado Libre, free market. I don't know why this is down. I've been watching it too. I'm licking my chops on this one.
Okay, it's excellent. Mercado Libre, people call it the Amazon of Latin America, and that's the best way to describe it. It is so undervalued right now. It's the same story as Amazon 15 years ago. all of the analysts, they don't understand that it's just capital investments that Mercado Libre has done. They're investing in those warehouses and in digital payments, not just delivering packages.
I'm also excited, you know, if I look at all the election outcomes in Latin America. They're throwing away the leftist stuff. They're embracing capitalism. This may end up being the proxy for all of it. Look at this chart. It gets to the 200-day. I'm with you. I'm going to jump on this as well. I got time to go over Roblox. I feel like management blew it. You know, parents are complaining. The stock was unstoppable. Maybe they felt confident that, you know, they paid a heavy price, but now they're listening and maybe the stock is reacting.
Roblox should come back. Much of the problem with the stock had to do with the verification of age. I mean, that's what you're really talking about here. So Roblox has the potential to come back and get into that momentum phase again. And also the analysts, they're all looking for the next big buy. Everyone wants a 100% winner. So there's a lot of momentum that way too. Everyone's going to jump on Roblox.
Yeah, I had over 100% into my own personal account on it, but I will tell you though, it's management, I think, had to learn a hard lesson, but maybe it's created an amazing opportunity. Have a great weekend, Hilary. Appreciate you. All right, folks, coming up, we're going to break down the Fed's new task force. Also, SpaceX.